Heya loves, you all are welcome or welcome back to another video. I know you guys miss me. I miss you too. If you don't miss my still miss me. I'm happy to be back here, and from the title of today's video, we are going to have a get ready with me and some chit chats, updating you guys, basically giving you guys an update. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful, simple makeup look, and if you also want to hear the gist, you might as well stay. If this is the first time you are seeing this beautiful, cute face, Heya, Nhyira here. I'm a YouTuber based in Ghana, and if you are already here, weird guy, thank you for coming back to watch this video. I miss you all so much, and yeah, without wasting much time, let's just get right into the video. Let me use a little bit of this because my face looks very ashy. I don't know what these people is doing here, guys. I don't know if it's just me. Anytime I plan on doing something with my face, okay, it's not all the time, but it's not all the time though. Most of the time, when I plan doing something with my face, I'll either get a small pimple or something. Yeah, guys, my face has been going through a lot this past few months. Ask me what I did. I'm sorry to start this live updates like this, but then I'm using this from Everything Beauty. Guys, I never had moisturizing my face. I never had a problem with my skin, especially my face. If you're an old G here, you know. Tell me why. I think I did a story time on one of the vlogs. I've already pre-recorded, so I'll just be brief about this. So guys, I have a mirror here. That is why I'm looking into it, because tell me why I just walked into a cosmetic shop. The attendant there was obviously not a professional, and I wanted some products to make my skin glow, because I didn't have anything on my skin. I didn't have any acne, any hyperpigmentation. My skin was flawless, but I just wanted it to glow, like, and be more flawless. Oliver Twist, and see what it cost me. This is even this is better, guys. If I show you, so I'm doing a review on this product. I already pre-recorded again this part, so I'm doing a review. So I want to use it for some time, because this is the second week I'm using it, and then see. But then guys, it was worse than this. And then yeah, I know I'm doing makeup, but I have to go by the routine. This I'm also using. I have a broken nail, guys. Me fixing the Christmas tree, which is also in another vlog. So you see, I have so much in store for you guys. So this is the sunscreen. Also got it from Everything Beauty. Just a little, because I'm doing makeup. Okay, so we are done. Lip gloss, very essential, guys. One thing about me, you always see me in lip gloss. This is going to be a very brief live update and a chit chat. Okay, so let's start with the makeup as I talk. This is what I use. They're in different shades, right? Before using the foundation, guys, I'll be prepping my face with this from MAC Beauty. This is a prep and prime, MAC prep and prime. So I just put a little here. This is okay. I don't use too much of this, because I'll be using another. Wait. Normally I just use it around the side. This side. And I spread it all across. I know, guys, it's been a minute. I know, that's why I'm here. I know it's been a minute. But the funny thing is that I already I already shot a video. I did an update video for you guys months ago, and I lost some of the footages, guys. Currently, I'm using my phone to shoot because setting up my camera has been difficult nowadays. So I just need someone to help me with the settings. I gave it out, and the person resets everything. So I need someone to help me reset it back. So with the first update I did, I used the camera. Very nice footages, guys. And I lost some, unfortunately. So whilst waiting to do this update video, I've been giving you guys content, right? I've been shooting videos down because today is 17th. Today is 17th. I'm headed to church, so I have to hurry up. Yeah. So guys, sorry I didn't show you. I used this lasting oil control. I love this so much. I like the way it gives me that matte. Yeah, so that's what I used. And I just use my fingers to rub and dab it in. Yeah, so now we move to the foundation, which I already showed you guys. I don't know why I even bought this because I don't normally use it. I just use my hands. So guys, I lost some of the footages, so I had to shoot again. And whilst waiting for that, like I said, so there is, I just mix it all up. Whilst waiting to shoot this, I have been creating down some content for you guys so that I don't ghost again, because I have lots of videos after this, guys. So I just mix it all together. Normally I would use a corrector. I normally would use a corrector, but my skin is okay today, I guess. So I'm not using the corrector. I normally use it at the dark spots on my face. But then it's okay. Another time. It's not mandatory, you can't choose to. I don't normally even use it, guys, to be fair. So yeah. Why I have been dormant, guys, I'm sure it's been a year or several months since you guys last saw me here. And obviously you can see some difference. Tell me the truth. Obviously you can see some difference. Good one, I mean. Look at my cheeks. So guys, it's been a roller coaster, both good and not so good, but once we are alive, we always have to embrace the good part of it. Something that I do now, whenever I'm done with my brush, I clean it before putting it back. Guys, do this, okay? It helps your skin too. So that's what I do. So I'm using this concealer, Pro Conceal, very common. That's what I'm using. There have been lessons learned, lost contact, and then made new contacts, and of course still keeping some of my contacts. That's life. It's normal. I'm not mad about it. And there's been a lot of growth, guys. You guys are going to see it. There has been lots of growth, guys, and I'm thankful to God for that. So I'm firstly going to talk about my goals and whether or not I have achieved what I set for myself the last time I was on here, or in the subsequent months when I was out of here. So I'm using this Pro Conceal. Just using it. By God's grace, like I said, I have learned how to embrace the positive out of the not so good ones. So I am thankful for where I am now. By God's grace, I've been able to achieve one or two things that I set for myself. Some are still in progress. So I'm grateful to God about it. In regards to my business, you guys already know, or some of you already know, Fabi Trends. I'm actually wearing one of our one of our collections, but guys, with this one I'm yet to launch it. I've been holding it for God knows how long because of another business, of which I'm about telling you now. Sometime last year by this time, I launched a new business. It's Fabi Hair Gallery. So Fabi Hair Gallery is an online business that sells custom made wigs. We do revamping, hair installation, restitching, selling of raw hair bundles. Basically all of these things we do there. Okay. You can check our pages on Instagram at Fabi Hair Gallery and TikTok at Fabi Hair Gallery. We've got lots of goodies to show you guys. Guys, I got this and I did not like. I wanted it to be a lighter version of what I normally use, but then it was not good and it was expensive. So what I use this to do now is to just highlight the inner corners of my eye. At least it's serving a purpose. It's better than me just leaving it there like that. So we make custom wigs. If you have any hair bundles you want it to be wigged for you, we are here for you. If you have any old wigs that you would want for it to be made new or transformed, we are here for you. Okay, so that is it. That is one thing that has kept me very, very busy, because when I started, it wasn't easy, guys. I do and still do everything by myself. So I had to put Fabi Trends on hold, and it has been on hold ever since, because I'm trying to find a way to navigate through these two businesses. I'm trying to look at one or two things to help me strategize and then still do my clothing business. That's the Fabi Trends. Yeah. So this is one of the reasons why I haven't been able to, like, I didn't have the time. And also, I remember I used to complain a lot about the views and the engagement, but guys, like I said, there has been a lot of growth, and I've gotten to understand that this is something that I love to do. This is something that I love to do, and the views never mattered. The views never mattered. It's something I really love to do, and I enjoyed doing it. And if I'm consistent with it, it will definitely pull the crowd that I need. So I'd like to thank each and every one of you, because I'm using this. So I would like to thank every one of you for still sticking with me. I appreciate. God bless you all. So more content, guys. This channel promises to be entertaining, fun, and educating, because I won't only be showing you lifestyle, guys. I'll be showing you one or two tips on makeup, on hair installation. Of course, we'll be vlogging, sometimes doing some sit-down videos. I don't know about collaboration yet, but then when it comes my way, fine, I'll be grateful. So that is out of the way now. A girl is going to do what she loves to do, and this is it, guys. I'm using this to line. Is it cool? Yeah, it's cool. So we are almost done with the makeup. I'm not sure I'll be using eyeliner, so I'll just use it to give myself a beauty spot. That's all. So guys, I didn't show you this. This was what I use for my blush. It's a lip palette, but then I use it for my blush. So yeah. The next is to line my lip. Where's the pencil? So guys, this is a combo I'm using. Guys, these are basically the things that kept me dormant from my YouTube page. The lack of motivation, my new business. But not to worry. When I set my mind to do certain things, I actually do it by the grace of God. So I didn't want to come on here and then give you guys stories on why I wasn't here, blah blah blah, and then go back. So this time around, I actually made it brief, and the subsequent videos will do the talking. So that is basically it. I hope you guys can stay with me. I'm wearing a medicated contacts, guys, and yeah, I know you see I have some tats and some new piercings, which I love so much. So guys, let me go and then just no wait, I forgot to. Yeah, I'm using this MAC Fix. It's a finishing spray, so here's what I'm using from MAC to just we are going to finish it off with this MAC Fix foundation. This is my go-to makeup, guys. It's I barely use like 30 minutes to do this. Had it not been that I was speaking, I would have used like 15 or 10 minutes. So guys, this is it. This is the makeup look we are going for today. Let me just go and prep my hair and then I'll get back to you guys. Heya loves, I'm back and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this channel promises to be great. It promises to be interesting because we are back. Okay, so we are going to do more of these sit down videos. We are going to do lifestyle vlog and 1 or 2 tutorials, guys, and a lot more fun stuff. So stick and stay and do not go anywhere. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Kindly do like. Please comment down. I miss you guys and I would want us to get interactive in the comment section below. So just comment down anything and I'll be sure to reply you. And share after watching. And wait and look forward for the videos that I have in store for you guys. Thank you all for watching. And until then, we must see you in another video. Bye.